Today I'm going to make a delicious invention in my Hot Logic Mini. Pizza lasagna. You know how much I love pizza, don't you? And you know how much I love the Hot Logic Mini. It's so easy. I'm going to make lasagna just like pizza, with pizza ingredients. I'm going to use these lasagna sheets, no boiling required, ready to bake. 6 sheets, look at that. Except it's all going to be pizza. Pizza themed. And you can buy these in strips too, but I got the wider ones because I am hoping that they're going to fit in here. If not, I could trim the edge off, but this is going to be really nice. Watch. First I'm going to put a little layer of sauce down. Follow along with me now. It's going to be easy and delicious. The secret here is we want our noodles to be wet with sauce. So, let's get the sauce down there. Not too much sauce, but enough. Alright. First layer, we're going to see if our sheet fits. Isn't that a great invention? Looks good so far. Look. Good enough? Or cut a little inch off the end. A little more sauce. Whoa, too much. Somebody's mowing the lawn out there, you hear it? So if you want this to lay perfectly flat, cut an inch off the end. Then I'm going to make each layer one of my favorite pizza toppings. The first layer is going to be sausage. Like sausage, see? It's going to be so scrumptious. The sausage is already cooked and crumbled for me. Wasn't that nice of somebody at the store? Shredded mozzarella. And another kind of cheese if you like. I'm excited here. A little sprinkle of, oh, get up there, lady. That if you like. Put your next layer on top. Oh, look at that one. Fit a little better. A little more sauce. Delumptious. A little more, a little more, a little more. This is left over from my pizza yesterday. This pizza sauce. Or the day before, I forget what. Yesterday. Second layer is going to have mushrooms. Because I like mushrooms on my pizza. Pizza lasagna, no ricotta. Or whatever else you might put in your lasagna. Although, you could put that in here. You could put ricotta on a pizza if you like, right? Look at this. Fresh mushrooms. Sliced. A little more mozzarella. Are you with me so far? I have garlic here. I'm going to put that on the second level. Minced garlic. This is one of the easiest, best meal creations you'll ever see. Another layer from a great Rana no boil lasagna sheet. How's this one gonna fit? Oh, look at that. It's building up nicely. A little more sauce. See how easy it is? You know what the hard part about this is? Letting it sit here until I'm ready to eat it. And hopefully I smell it. Imagine taking this to work, prepare it the night before, and plug it in your office or wherever you work, or in the factory. Yeah, people still Or smell lasagna. But pizza lasagna. I made real lasagna in here too already. You'll see that in my playlist. I'm gonna put a drop of water in my sauce jar. Because like I said, we want our noodles to have moisture. And I don't care if it runs down the sides because that's good. Getting good and messy here. Next layer, pepperoni. Isn't that delicious? Look at it. Do you love this? You gonna make this? You got a Hot Logic? Man, this is gonna be so good. Ooh, snack. Oh yeah, garlic. A little more mozzarella cheese. Another layer. How many layers do I have left? I have three layers left. I'm not going to make another layer. That's all my toppings. And don't forget the oregano. Put a little bit of that there. I like how I made each layer a different topping instead of putting sausage, pepperoni, and mushrooms all in each layer. Change it how you like. I'll make it just like this. It's delicious. And here's with the sauce that I added a little water to. Beautiful. That's the topping. That's the icing on the pizza lasagna cake. And like I said, I don't mind if I have a little more. I want it to run down the sides. Make sure it's all a little covered. Maybe you see this in a few hours. Now this will be done probably in 2 or 3 hours. But right now it's 10 a.m. and I'm planning to have this for a late lunch, maybe 4, because we're going to run some errands and have some company. The company's going to smell it and say, wow, I want to eat that. Aren't they? Anything else you would put on here? I could put some olives, some anchovies, anything I like, right? I'm glad I left a little space because if I put cheese, I don't want it to stick to the lid. Just thinking. What do you think? A little bit of pepper up there. I could have did that on every layer if I wanted to. But all the flavors are in there. A little bit of salt. A little more sprinkled cheese. Pizza, lasagna. Wasn't that easy? Put the lid on. This is a 6-cup Pyrex. Clean in there, yep. Keep it clean, keep the cheese out. Beautiful. Seal the Pyrex lid. And you wait. All I gotta do now is zip this up. Plug it in the wall. And not even set it and forget it. Just forget it. There. Forget it. That's going to be a nice supper, lunch, whatever you want it for. Whenever you want to eat it. Okay? So maybe you can make yours now, or you want to wait till mine's done and see how it looks. Remember, these are pretty neat. And you can get them regular size strips instead of a big wide. But I thought the wide ones were nice for the Hot Logic. All right. On with our day. We'll be back to show you I'm not going to show you in between. I'm not going to open it at all. And in the meantime, check the link down there and use the discount code. Save some money and get some Hot Logics. Great gifts. We gave one for a gift yesterday. All right, talk to you soon. Can't wait to eat it. It's 4 p.m. exactly. That was 6 hours. Might have been done in 2.5 or 3, like I said. Did you make one while you were waiting? I didn't open it yet. Pizza lasagna. Now I smell it. Whoa, look at that. Isn't that delicious looking? Now if you don't have a Hot Logic, remember there's a heating element in the bottom of that. It's hot right now. Let me get a pot holder. And let me take this out of here. See, there's the heating element. Beautiful, wonderful Hot Logic Mini. Personal portable oven. Look how it shrunk a little bit. Remember I was worried about it being too high for the cheese to hit the lid? Looks like I could have put another layer in, but then it would have been too high for the cheese in the lid. Oh boy. I'm going to cut this in 4s. Look at that texture. Or 2s. 4s or 2s? I'm going to get one out. Oh, I'm going to take this big corner here. Onto my paper plate. Where is it? Remember, it's all good pizza stuff in there. Oh boy. Pepperoni, mushrooms, sausage. And I think it's ready to eat right now. Let me take a bite for you before I eat it all. Come on over. Perfect portion. It's pizza lasagna. Lasagna pizza. Pizza lasagna. All the good stuff in there. Look at it. Sausage, pepperoni, mushrooms, garlic, mozzarella. Mmm. You want some?
Sure.
She's jumping up and down back there.
How's it taste?
It's delicious. And wasn't it so easy? Try that in your Hot Logic Mini if you have one. If not, check the link down below and use my discount code. Because it's a good discount. We love them. We use the Hot Logic 3 times a week yet. Thank you. This is a good meal. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Enjoy this. Ooh, excuse me.